Australia remains a top choice for qualified immigrants looking for a higher standard of living and a wealth of career options. The Skilled Work Regional Provisional Visa, Subclass 491, sometimes referred to as the 491 visa, is one pathway for skilled workers. The 491 visa is still a well-liked choice as of 2024 for those who are prepared to live and work in specific Australian regional location. From qualifying conditions to the application process, this video offers a thorough rundown of the 491 visa process, as well as the simple 5-step application procedure. For a maximum of 5 years, skilled individuals and their families can reside, work, and study in specific regional areas of Australia with a 491 visa. Being a provisional visa, it can be used as a bridge to permanent residence by meeting certain requirements while residing in regional Australia on the Subclass 191 visa. Benefits and limitations of the Subclass 491 visa. Skilled workers in remote regions may now experience the Australian dream thanks to the Subclass 491 visa. It is important to understand that this is not a straight path to citizenship in Australia. In order to apply for permanent residency, you must first fulfill specific wage criteria and live in a certain region for 3 years. The 491 Visa Eligibility Criteria. To be eligible for the 491 visa, applicants must meet several criteria. 1. Nomination or sponsorship. Candidates must be sponsored by a qualifying family member who lives in a specified geographic area or nominated by an Australian state or territory government agency. 2. Skills assessment. It is required to receive a positive skills evaluation for a profession that is on the applicable skilled occupation list. There is a separate evaluating authority for each occupation, and candidates must get a legitimate evaluation prior to applying. 3. Expression of interest and points test. Interested candidates are asked to apply for a visa after submitting an EOI using the Skill Select system. Additionally, candidates for the 491 visa must have at least 65 points, and these points are determined by a number of variables, including age, educational background, English language skills, specialized work experience, and more. 4. Age and English language proficiency. Candidates must be under 45 at the time of invitation, and they must demonstrate a minimum level of competency in English with an appropriate test score. How do you apply? The Australia 491 visa has a simple and easy 5-step application process. 1. Expression of interest. The initial stage is submitting an expression of interest via Skill Select, an internet-based platform that enables the Department of Home Affairs and state governments to peruse the profiles of prospective migrants. Candidates include information about their qualifications, job history, and skill set in the EOI. 2. State or territory nomination. Upon submitting an EOI, candidates may approach a state or territory government for nomination. It's important to examine the most recent requirements and adjust your application appropriately, as each state and territory has different requirements and occupation listings that are subject to change. 3. Invitation to apply. If the expression of interest is accepted, the applicant will receive an invitation to file an application. Occasionally, invites are extended, and acceptance of one is dependent on the applicant's point total, as well as the demand for their field. 4. Application for visa. The applicant has 60 days from the time of invitation to finish the online visa application procedure, including sending in the necessary documentation. 5. Visa decision. After it is filed, the application will be reviewed and the processing times may vary. Nonetheless, applicants can view the status of their application. Life with a 491 visa. The flexibility to live, work, and study in regional Australia is one of the advantages of the 491 visa, along with unrestricted movement to and from Australia for the period of the visa. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!